welcome, guys. Welcome. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Hope everyone had a great day. All right. Markets were mixed today. We'll go over that. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. Hey, Saga, welcome. Saga, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right. Okay, good news. Good news. All right. So we got a buy signal, guys. So we have a buy signal on the Nasdaq. All right. So buy signal came in here. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Buy signal came in here on the Nasdaq today. All right. So that's good news. All right. So right here on the Nasdaq. All right. Price broke resistance right here. And we have a buy signal. Hey, Louis, welcome, Louis, welcome. All right. So buy signal right here on the Nasdaq. So that is absolutely great news. We do not have buy signals yet on the Dow, right? That should come in. That should come in soon, right? The Dow looks good, right? All right. So we got green candles here. All right, green candles here. So we should get a buy signal shortly, similar to the one we got right here. All right, so that is great news. All right, on the S&P, same thing. All right, so if we have an update tomorrow, all right, this week, have continued buying, we could see a buy signal here also on the S&P. All right, so very good news. All right. Very good news. All right. On the Russell, guys, on the Russell, no, we're not near a buy signal on the Russell. Still, sellers are still in control. Red candles here. All right. But hey, we'll take it on the S&P, Dow, and the Nasdaq. All right. The VIX is still low, right? It's at 14 and change right here. So that's good. So we don't have a lot of volatility, all right, in the equity markets. That's good. All right. But if you guys look here, a lot of the sectors, right? A lot of the sectors now have turned blue and up. All right. They've turned blue and up. So that is good. We'll take a look at, we know technology has a buy signal, right? We'll just look to see if any of the other sectors give buy signals today. All right. And indexes are up here, right? So Nasdaq, Dow, S&P, Russell is down here, and the VIX is down. That's what we need. All right. I want to take a quick look at the sectors, see if we have any buy signals on any of the other sectors. So let's do this. Communication services, we could get a buy signal soon, guys, right? So right here, testing resistance right here. All right. Financial services, we could get a buy signal soon. Look at technology. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. We'll take a look at technology stocks this evening, see if we can add any technology stocks. But we're looking for another sector, right? See if we have another sector. Biotech is setting up. Biotech is right here. I'm sorry, no, consumer discretionary is setting up to give a buy signal soon. All right, biotech still down. Industrial is setting up soon to give a buy signal. So it looks like technology is the only sector still with a buy signal. So we'll continue to look for some opportunities in tech. And we do have a buy signal on the NASDAQ. All right. So that's technology. That's great. All right. Take a quick look at our e-minis. We'll just pay attention to the US 30. US 30 traders, the market was mixed. As you guys see here, the Dow was up. NASDAQ was down. All right. S&P was down. Russell was up. So flat to mixed today. All right. So I know things got bounced around a bit. All right. So just remember, we're still moving higher, guys. Hey, Solomon, welcome. So we are still moving higher in the markdown phase. Okay, I mean in the markup phase. Let's see here. All right. Um, okay. All right. I'm getting Anthony, are you having can you hear? Okay, I'm getting a message here. Um, but okay. All right. Let me know if you can hear me okay. Okay. Okay, so right here. On the US 30, 60-minute time frame, with broken out of that resistance, um, I would say, uh, so here's our trend line right here. All right. And we just needed to continue to move higher. Okay. Be patient with it. All right. Okay. You're good. Okay. All right. Awesome. Okay. And again, we broke through resistance. Resistance is right here. All right. Resistance is right here. Buy signal on that 60-minute. So just use your time frames. All right. Use your smaller time frames right here. Our um, US 30 NAS. Same thing with the NAS and S&P. All right. A lot of consolidation today. We did get some buy signals to go long, but those didn't last long. All right. So just stay with it. All right. Stay with it. Trade lightly, though. Trade lightly. Let's go to the current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Remember, the only rotation we have currently, now there's some individual trades, but the rotation right now is with the yen pairs. The yen pairs. All right. Okay. All right. So New Zealand yen in Monster Scalper closed today. All right. So buy signal here, New Zealand yen, buy signal here, close here. We were hoping that it would continue to test resistance here and break out. It did close today. So close that trade. New Zealand yen, buy signal here, sell signal here on a break of resistance there. Support. So close that trade. NZD JPY, close that trade. All right. All right. Close that trade. The next one, and these are all yen pairs. All right. CAD yen, buy signal here, still trading above resistance. All right. Looking to continue to break out. So it's breaking out. You do have resistance right here, high right here, but so far still holding. Euro yen made a move. So hopefully you guys got some of this trade here. All right. So Euro yen finally got out of this consolidation in here. Buy signal is here. Good price action moving up nicely. All right. So Euro yen and pound yen will move together. Right. Lots of good volatility in Euro yen and pound yen. All right. So buy signal here. Nice price action. This was an opportunity to definitely add to your position on a break of this resistance here on the 240. Really good price action moving up currently. All right, SGD JPY. If you guys missed it on the 240, our monster scalper traders, just go to your time frames. Right, go to your smaller time frames. Find a time frame. All right, that you can trade it on the 30, 15, 60-minute time frame, and just stay long. Don't go short. Just look for long opportunities. Buy signals. All right. So Euro yen, good trade going there. SGD JPY, another great trade. Same thing. Right. If you've missed it on the 240, right, just bring in your time frame to look for long opportunities. There should be plenty of opportunities to go long. SGD JPY. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Finally got out of that right consolidation. All right. And buy signal here moving up nicely. All green candles. All right. This was a great area here to add to your position if you wanted to do that. All right. All green candles moving up nicely. Yen pairs are moving, guys. We've been talking about these yen pairs, right? So no surprise there. Um, pound yen, buy signal here, and moving up nicely, breaking past. Look at that. All right. So we've got a high right here, high and resistance right here. All right. So here we are getting past that area right here, getting close to it. Now, big picture on the Dow, I'm sorry, on the pound yen, big picture, look here, right? So on the weekly time frame, guys, look at this, right? Here we are getting ready to break through a big resistance, a high there on the Dow. Let's take a look at the monthly here on pound yen. I keep saying the Dow. So pound yen, all right, big big area here. So it breaks through that area, guys, on the monthly time frame, guys. All right, let's move this up a little bit here. Right, we have bed here. It is right here. So we've got some support here, resistance here. So we got to get a little bit higher. All right, but moving up nicely on the monthly, we get past this area, we could see a pound yen really move higher. Okay, so we'll keep it here on the weekly, big picture. All right, weekly here, um, and let's go back here. All right, so um, good move here, right, on the 240, and I think we also have it on the daily time frame also. Okay, so pound yen, great move. Just keep an eye on the volatility. Pound yen has a lot of movement, right? It is choppy, right? But it will move. So look for smaller time frames all with this one also. Okay, all right. All right, no shorts. We don't have any shorts, guys. All right, we don't have any shorts in Forex, Dominator, and Monster Scalper. Okay, so let's take a look at long positions. Long positions in Forex Dominator. Long positions in Forex Dominator. All right. Again, yen pairs. All right. So Aussie yen buy signal here, right? Broke resistance and a bit of a pullback, just holding here. Swiss yen. All right. Buy signal here. Previous trade did really well, continuing to move higher. All right. So anyone is in it, just hold on. Again, with any of these trades with the yen pairs, look for opportunities. All right, I can't stress that enough on your smaller time frames. All right, on your smaller time frames. All right, euro yen buy signal is here, moving up nicely. See, it's breaking out, guys, breaking out past this resistance here. Pound yen, all right, pound yen is right there. Buy signal here, right here at that resistance line right here. There's a good chance, right? There's a good chance, right? Pound yen could really break out, guys, in a big way, right? Um, so keep an eye on that. Again, if you can look for opportunities on the smaller time frames. SKD JPY buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Lots of pips, guys, here. Buy signal here, all the way up here. SGD JPY, all right. Buy signal here, holding nicely. All right. I know it's hard to stay with these trades on the daily time frames, but boy, you can keep some positions, right, on, like in Forex Dominator while you trade other positions, right? So these will build a lot of pips. All right. SGD JPY, just have to be patient. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Look at that run there, guys. Just moving up nicely. All green candles, no white candles, no red candles. Let it run. All right. SGD JPY. ZAR yen struggling a bit, but still holding. All right. It did get, right now, it's right at that resistance here. Here is resistance right here. A bit of a pullback, still holding all green candles. All right. So, but it needs to get past this resistance to really see ZAR yen move. All right. I'm surprised by this. The ZAR pairs really move. When they move, they really move. So It's holding back right now. Dollar CAD, buy signal here, holding right here. Resistance is here. Sellers are sitting here. All right, a bit of a pullback, still holding. Just keep an eye on that one there. Euro pound buy signal is here. Really taking a long time to move. A lot of consolidation in here. We'll keep an eye on this. All right. If we get a white candle, we'll just get rid of this one here. Really taking its time to move higher. We do have a decent trend line, so we know it is moving higher. All right. Let's bring that in there. So here's your trend line right here. All right. So just needs to break out, but this is a concern. All right. A lot of consolidation in here, which will traders will remember that as they're looking to move the price here. All right. That's euro pound, euro pound. EURN, okay. All right. Buy signal here, broke out of this triangle here. All right. Moving higher. We should have resistance. Let's see here, right about here. All right. So we just need to get past that area here. All right. So let's remove this. All right. So, okay. All right. That's euro and okay. So the euro pairs are trying to make a move, guys. They're really trying to make a move. EURTRY slowly moving higher. All right. Buy signal here, slowly moving higher. All right. EURTRY will move. All right. Trades funky, right? Very, very, not a very great chart. But look, previous buy signals did well. So we do have a buy signal here. We'll just follow that price. All right. All right. Let's see here. I think we closed this. Okay, yeah. The gold trade, we have a red candle here, so we'll close that. Gold is making a move lower. I do want us to take a look at futures, monster futures. All right. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on here with in the futures market, monster futures, E-mini, right? So E-mini long, S&P long. All right, hold on. All right, so it's setting up no buy signals yet, but they're buying it, but no buy signals yet. All right, so we'll wait on the buy signals. Soybeans, let's see here. We don't have a lot of soybeans. So S&P, have a lot of S&P, All right. Okay, soybeans. Let's take a look at soybeans also. Okay, so there's definitely a move in soybeans. All right. All right, so they're buying soybeans. So we'll add that. All right, so soybeans to go long. All right, in monster futures. Okay. T3. Soybeans. And that's long in monster futures. All right, so soybeans, I think that's the only trade. All right, S&P looks good, but we just need buy signals. Okay, buy signals on the S&P. All right, let's see shorts, if we have any short opportunities. We haven't looked at futures in a few days, so want to make sure we're not missing anything. All right, the VIX short, that's an old trade. All right, I don't think the VIX can go much lower, right? The VIX is at 14. The lowest we've seen it is about 12. So that short trade is over, right? That was the trade right here, right? That was the trade. This right here, this sell short signal. That's not a lot. So we'll pass on that. Silver, corn. Uh, that's way down. That short is over for corn. Gold might be. Let's see here. Gold is so tricky. All right. Um, yeah, they're shorting gold, um, but it's very tricky. Gold has been stuck around 2000, guys. Um, all right, it is coming up. Palladium. Let's see here. All right, so soybeans, right? That's the best looking trade. All right, so soybeans. Let's take a look at equities. All right, so equities. So stock boss and bull master. Most of these are tech stocks. Okay. All right, AMBP. That's basic materials. Buy signal here. That's still holding. EGHT. All right, EGHT. That's communication services. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback, still holding. All right. HUYA. Buy signal here. All right. Still holding here, looking to break through resistance. That's communication services. NMRK buy signal here, pull back right here. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, purple support and resistance. We just needed to get through the box, right? Break through that resistance. Okay, tricky trade here. All right, tricky one here. All right. ORTEA, that's communication services. Buy signal here, just hold in for now. All right. All right. AMSC, all right. Technology, buy signal here. Nice big candle came in today. All right. So that's holding nicely there. All right. AVPT, buy signal here. Nice move, guys. Right. So Friday, big move, continued that move today. All right. So AVPT, great move here. All right, MTTR, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. All right, holding here, all green candles, and that is technology stocks. Okay. All right, OUST, buy signal here. Right, still trying to break out. Right, we have support right here, guys. So we have support right here. All right, still trying to break out. OUST, that's technology also. All right. All right, PRCH, good support down here, good support, buy signal here, all right, buy signal here on a break of this resistance right here, right here, buy signal here, moving up nicely, all right, and this was an inexpensive stock. Buy signal came in at 92 cents, right, trading at $1.26 right now, PRCH, and that's also technology. All right. UIS, buy signal here, right? Right here. This candle, right? Moving up nicely here. Big candles coming in. So buyers are coming in. UIS, right? Great move there. VNET, and that's technology. VNET, buy signal here, right? Broke resistance. We do have some a high right here. It's got to get past that area, but looks good. All green candles, nothing to do there. All right. That's technology also. WISH, all right. Buy signal here. Really good markdown phase, guys. Good markdown phase. All right. Good support down here. Buy signal here. Nice big candle today. Green candle moving higher. All right. And so all of these held. We don't have to close anything. All right. So that's great. Bull master. All right. So remember, stock boss, right? $10 and below, lower. Bull master, $10 and higher. All right. These are good for calls. All right. So AMD, buy signal here. I think we got in about right here. Was our signal to get in. and holding right here. That's technology. All right. Hold on. Let's. All right. Right. APP. All right. Buy signal here. Holding. Need to break the high right here. That's technology. DRS. Buy signal all the way here. Moving up nicely. All green candles there. All right. That's technology. DRS. All right. DV. Buy signal here. Nice markdown phase. Perfect accumulation, right? Buy signal getting into that markup phase. All right. So good trade going here. All right. Good setup. All right. That's DV and that's technology. All right. GoDaddy continuing to move higher, guys. Buy signal here. I think we got about right about up here. All right. Moving up nicely. All right. That's technology. KTOS. Buy signal here breaking, right? A lot of nice consolidation in here. We'll take the consolidation when it looks like this. All right. All green candles building up, building momentum, and now breaking new resistance here. All right. And that's part of technology. All right. KTOS. All right. MSTR, buy signal here. All right. Nice break, moving higher, all green candles. That's part of technology. Guys, remember, we do have a seasonality. All right. We do have seasonality. Fourth quarter, right? October, November, December. That's when buyers really come in, all right, for the fourth quarter. Thanksgiving, right? Thanksgiving, Christmas. So we have a buy signal on the NASDAQ. All right. Hey, Betty, welcome. All right. We have a buy signal. We go here, right? Right. Buy signal right here on the NASDAQ. All right. Buy signal. Listen, buy signal on the NASDAQ. That's the only buy signal we have, right? On the indexes is on the NASDAQ. All right. And we have a buy signal here, right? We have to put this all together now. We have a buy signal here in technology. It's the only buy signal we have on all of these sectors here that we track. We have a buy signal, right, in the technology sector. All right. So no surprise that these technology stocks, right, are breaking out and moving higher. All right. So that's the focus. Right now, if we get a buy signal on another sector, which could be communication services, that sector usually does well. Right. But technology, that's the number one sector. So we want to focus, right? Can't trade everything. That's the sector. Okay. So MSTR, remember that. All right. So everything is setting up right now to have a nice push, right? Anything can happen. Markets can roll over, right? Sellers could come back in. But right now, until that happens, right? Long equities, long tech, long equities, long tech. All right, all right. MSTR. All right, buy signal here. All green candles. All right, don't worry about what's being said out there on the news and CNBC. We don't care about that. Trade the price. Um, PI technology, buy signal here, moving up nicely here, breaking out a decent markdown phase right here. Okay. All right. That's PI. PLTR, buy signal here, and PI is technology also. All right. PLTR, buy signal here, moving up nicely, breaking out. We don't need to know what these companies do, right? Snap, SNAP. Snap looks horrible like this. We pull that in. Good markdown phase. All right. Fell from about 33, trading at $11, closed today at 11.30. SNAP, right? Buy signal moving up nicely. Every day it's been moving higher and higher there. Okay. SNAP, that's also technology. Okay. SWI, all right, buy signal again, right? Good markdown phase, right? A bit choppy. Buy signal here, right? Moving up nicely. Definitely they're buying it. All right. That's technology. VRNS, that's a reaccumulation phase, right? We're trading that high in the markup phase, all right? Buy signal here, that's moving up nicely here, all right? AEO, that's communication services, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, but holding. And GPS, we would like to see this stock move to resistance here, all right? And there's a good chance if we could get, we'll see. On the weekly time frame, there's potential, all right? Right? Here is resistance here on the weekly, and I think the monthly looks good too. All right. So if it gets past that resistance on the weekly, it's got a lot of room to run. But trade it candle by candle. All right. On the monthly, found support down here. All right. White candle. So definitely that could move higher. But on the daily time frame, um, just holding it here. Just remember, sellers are sitting here. All right. And that's communication services, GPS. All right. All right. Awesome. Okay. All right. We're going to go right into stock boss. Let's see if we can find some more technology stocks this evening in stock boss. And then we'll take a look at, I do want to take a look at Forex. We'll go through these quickly though. All right. We'll go through these quickly. So 45, not bad in stock boss. And we'll go right to technology. All right. PRCH, I believe we're in that one already. Yep. Nice move going here. PRCH. MTTR, we're in that one. Lab, no buy signal yet. INFN, our stock boss traders, you might want to put that on your watch list, right? All it needs is a buy signal. No buy signal yet on that one. No buy signal. These are setting up for buy signals. Same with INDU, no buy signal yet. All right. Wish, are we in Wish? Yes, we're in Wish. Okay. Um, SMRT. Let's take a look here. Not a very good chart. All right. So we'll pass on this one here. All right. BBAI. All right. BBAI. All right. Not a bad markdown phase. All right. That fell from, we'll take it, 1588. All right. Buy signal came in today, guys. Right. Really good buy signal. This candle here today, right at $1.7071. All right. So we'll add that. BBAI. All right. And it's an inexpensive stock, and that's in Stock Boss. And that is technology. And we'll stay with technology for now, unless we get another sector. All right. So BBAI. All right. Nice big candle, guys. That's what we want to see. Nice markdown phase, broke resistance. Buyers are coming in. All right. AMCS, we're in that already. Okay. AVPT, we're in that already. USI, we're in that already. VT, VTEX. All right, so we're in VNET, and this is VTEX. All right, let's take a look at it. All right, good markdown phase. Very choppy in here, gapped up. Yeah, they might feel that gap. So we'll pass on this. All right. I think that's the last one there. Last tech. We have others, guys, but we're gonna focus. We'll just focus on technology for now. Okay. That's the sector. All right. And remember, our stock boss traders, right? You can bring in your. You should have your time frames. Okay. So you can bring in, right, any of those, right, and trade them on a smaller time frame. All right. So you can bring BB, what is it? BBAI. You can see it here, right? Nice buy signal on the 30-minute, right? Even the 15-minute. All right. So we no longer have to just trade it on the daily, trade these on the daily time frame. All right. Even the 240, right? You can bring in that 240. Here it is right here, breaking out on that 240. So don't forget, you don't have to just keep it on that daily time frame. Bring in your time frames, and you can find a time frame, which is really cool, right? We didn't do that in the past. Now you can find a time frame, right? You can trade these on. Okay. Bull Master. Let's run Bull Master here. All right. How many did we have? Hold on, I missed that. So 56 in Bull Master, and we want to go right to technology. Don't worry about the in the industry. All right, just the sector. Okay. All right, that's gone. No buy signal. PLTR, we're in PLTR. Now with Bull Master, guys, just remember these are large cap stocks. They're a bit more expensive. All right, these are great stocks that you can get in. You can add in that reaccumulation phase higher, because a lot of times those are good trend following stocks, right? Meaning that they'll continue to move higher. All right, they will definitely continue to move higher. All right, another great setup here. So you guys will notice that we'll get these higher in the markup phase. DDOG, um, gapped here, gapped up right here. They might feel that gap. Be aware when they gap up. All right, nothing here. Our bull master traders, keep an eye on AAOI. All right, nice big candle. All right, we just need a buy signal here. So we just need to wait a nice pullback here. All right, nice selling. Buyers are coming back in there. Okay, keep an eye on that. Nothing here. MSTR, we've added this one already. All right, JKS, JKS. Let's take a look at the weekly here. All right, we'll pass on this one. Lots of consolidation in here on the weekly. I was hoping the weekly would look better, but pass on this one here. KD. All right, that gapped up. These stocks are gapping up. When they gap up like this, guys, that's a good sign. Buyers are jumping in. I mean, that gapped up, guys, from $15 from the close, 15.58, right? And then opened at 1704. That's a big gap up. They really bought that stock after market. All right. So that's a good sign. We can't get in because they might fill that gap, but and look, they gapped up here too. So they love pushing this stock, but it is dangerous because they could fill that gap there. APP, all right, we're in that one. DV, we're in that one there. VRNS, we're in that one. So we don't have any So we'll continue to look. Okay, we'll continue to look. Monster scalper. Okay, let's take a look at Forex, and then we'll be done. All right. Now, Forex is slowing a bit, but hey, the yen pairs are doing well, but it is slowing a bit. We don't. It's not. I wouldn't say it's consolidating. All right, but it's slowing down a bit here. All right. Let's take a look here. I think when all the yen pairs that we dollar yen. Let's go ahead and add dollar yen. Buy signal here, getting ready to break out. Just be aware of dollar yen, right? It moves a little differently than the other yen pairs, all right? So, but we'll add it USD JPY long in monster scalper. And this is one where you might want to bring in your smaller time frames also, okay? TRY JPY, nothing here. We know about SGD, NZD closed, HKD, we're in that one. Pound yen, Swiss CAD, we CAD yen. We're not in CAD yen, but that's too late. Buy signal all the way here. Choppy in here. Aussie yen, no buy signal. Okay. Let's take a quick look at the dollar pairs. What's the let's see what the dollar index is doing here. Well, that dollar index is just holding, right? So it's holding between support and resistance right here, right? Doesn't have a sell short signal or a buy signal. Okay. So so the dollar is not doing anything yet. Okay, so we'll hold off on the dollar. All right, so we'll hold off on that. So hold up on the dollar pairs for now. The euro pairs want to make a long move. All right, so euro ZAR. All right, euro ZAR. EURTRY. Yeah, so we've got this in Forex Dominator, but we missed it here in Monster Scalper. EURTRY, look, you can look for opportunities on your smaller time frames or Monster Scalper traders there. Those euro pairs, if you look here, they're mixed, guys. They're mixed, right? Again, the yen pairs, that's your best trade, okay? Euro New Zealand, how many pips? That's about 60 pips. So that looks good, but it's gone too far here. All right, buy signal was here. It's all the way up here. If you guys want to trade it, just trade it on, bring in your time frames, your smaller time frames. Euro pound. All right, we're in it. Nothing is happening there. Euro Swiss. We could perhaps take a chance on this one here. Euro Swiss buy signal here, right? It does have a nice trend line here. Okay. So this might be an opportunity. Just know that you have resistance above, okay, guys? So you have a decent trend line, and then you have resistance here. You give a buy signal right here, but it's got to get past this area here. We'll take a chance on it. If you're gonna trade it, just trade it, small amounts. Okay. Euro Swiss long in Monster Scalper. Let's see Euro CAD. All right, Euro CAD. We could probably do the same thing. All right, buy signal here. All right, and you have resistance here. If it gives a white candle, you got to get out quickly. Okay. All right, but it is, so these two are trying to make a move, looking to break out. We have a trend line here. All right. Okay, buy signal here and consolidated here, looking to break out. So EuroCAD. But again, the better trade, right? The rotation is in the yen pairs. All right. Just trying to find something else for you guys. All right. Euro Aussie. Um, Euro Aussie, that might be a one here. Resistance is here. This is one you might want to try, but again, all right, not a great setup here. All you're doing is hoping that it breaks that resistance there. Okay, but again, no real direction there. All right, so buy signal here. Right, if you wanted to, right, it's been making higher lows here. All right, so there's a chance it could move higher, but I think we'll pass on this one. All right, pass on this one. Pound ZAR, pound ZAR. Let's see here. Let's take a look at the ZAR pair. So pound ZAR, euro ZAR, and dollar ZAR. All right, so we'll add the ZAR pairs. All right, so the ZAR might make a move. Looks like it's setting up. It wants to make a move. So dollar ZAR, buy signal here. All right. Whew. The ZAR pairs will move. All right. So all it buy signal here, all it needs to do is break through here, this guy. So break through that high right here, that resistance right here, break through here, and we could see it move higher. All right. So dollar ZAR. So this is just a ZAR move. The ZAR will move. They will do their own thing. So dollar ZAR, especially when all three line up. Euro ZAR. Let's see here. So same thing with Euro ZAR. Buy signal right here. It is moving higher. Look here, right? Right there. It keeps moving higher. All right, so it's going to get past that. So, and we're breaking out of a channel here. All right. So just got to break through here, guys. Now, if you get sellers, just like sellers came in here, right? You got to get out. But the hope is, right? They just break through here, and and move higher. Price has been moving higher. Buy signal here, so we'll add this, right? Now, this isn't one where you go in heavy. Just test it a bit, okay? And also you can look at your smaller time frames. Look for longs on your smaller time frames. And then pound ZAR, the last one, pound ZAR. Okay. Same type of setup. It has a buy signal here. And it's moving higher. Right? It is moving higher. So here's your upward trend line. And then your downward trend line here. You don't have to do all of this analysis, but all right. right about here. All right, so just need to break out. All right, so not a bad setup there. So dollars are, euros are, and pounds are. If it fails, right, just close the trade. And that's long in Monster Scalper. All right, quick look at shorts. Nothing here. Normally, guys, we can find some, we'll find some great shorts, but we haven't had any shorts, any really good shorts in a while. Nothing here. Can't do anything with the dollar pairs, long or short. Okay. All right. Quick look at Forex Dominator, and we'll be done. Okay. We'll keep an eye on the Aussie pairs. All right. See if they can kind of hold a bit, right? Perhaps get back in this area here. Same with Aussie Swiss, doesn't have a buy signal, right? So we just need them to get some more buy-in in the Aussie pairs. We got blue up here, so that's good. We just need the pairs to. Let's take a look at Kiwi, New Zealand dollar. All right. So buying is coming in. We just don't have buy signals yet. So we just need some time for those to play out. We know what's going on with the yen pairs. Nothing here. Euro CAD. All right. So in Forex Dominator, we have Euro, Pound, Euro, NOK, Euro, TRY. So we can add this one here. All right. So Euro CAD, buy signal here. Right. We know the other CAD pairs, Euro pairs are moving. All right. So we might get a lift with this one here. Resistance. Where is resistance here? Right about here, and it's trading. All right, always bring in your trend lines, guys, if you're in doubt. Okay, that will help you frame the price. All right, so good support here, good support, good resistance here, buy signal here, and all we need to do is break out. All right, and we know the other pairs in Forex Dominator. Right? Euro, Pound, Euro, NOK, Euro, TRY, those are moving higher. So Euro, CAD, we'll add that. Long in Forex Dominator. Okay. Euro, Swiss, nothing here. Euro, Pound, we know about Euro, Pound. Nothing here. NOK, we know about that one. Euro New Zealand. All right. Keep an eye on Euro New Zealand. We could get a buy signal soon. Nothing here. Euro SGD. We could get a buy signal soon when that breaks out. TRY. We know about TRY. Euro TRY. All right. So you see, guys, you notice Euro TRY. It's really even right now. It's trying to break out. That's the hope with EuroCAD. EuroCAD, right, will follow along. All right, follow along. So we're looking at the other pairs to help. All right, help us there. Euro dollar, right, setting up for a buy signal. Nothing here. Pound CAD. We have the dollar CAD in Forex Dominator. Let's see if the CAD pairs are doing something here. So we're in dollar CAD already. Euro CAD is what we just added there, right? Euro CAD. And then pound CAD. Let's add pound CAD. All right. All right. So the CAD group is looking to make a move. And I think there's an Aussie, isn't it Aussie CAD? Oh, yeah, Aussie CAD. Let's see Aussie CAD. And let's see New Zealand CAD. We'll add Aussie CAD. There might be a move with the CAD pairs. All right. But if you guys want to wait, now you have the nice bounce here, but you want to wait a bit, but we'll add it. So Euro CAD, Aussie CAD. With Forex Dominator, you've got to give it some time though to move. It takes time, okay? Because these are on the daily time frame. And so dollar CAD, all right, dollar CAD. We'll hold off. Hold on. It does look like there's a move in the CAD pairs, guys. I know the dollar is tricky right now. Now you don't have to trade all of these, guys. These, these we do this for practice too, but you can follow them also. All right, so it is moving higher. Buy signal here. Just need a breakout. All right, so that's dollar CAD. All right, resistance is here, so sellers are here, but there's definitely a move happening there. All right, our monster scalper traders, you can look at the same pairs and bring them in, bring in your smaller time frames. All right, so dollar CAD. All right, we do have a buy signal. And it's right there testing, right here, guys, testing resistance right here, right? It's been moving higher right here. So we could get a breakout there. So dollar CAD, the next one, Euro CAD, we have that one already. Same thing here. See how they're lining up, right? They're lining up there. Pay attention to that. And then pound CAD. Let's take a look. We'll add this one also. So support is about right here. Resistance is right about, I would say right here. We can count this. This is just a high right here. Your real resistance will come about here for now. All right, buy signal here. This is your support. Buy signal here. Here it is. And it has been moving higher. It's hard to see, but when we bring in our trend line, we'll see here that every candle here, right, it's been moving higher. We're holding right here to break through that resistance. So I wouldn't be surprised if the CAD group breaks resistance. All right. So, all right. So we're done. It's 8:03. We're done. Long in Forex Dominator. All right. So you've got some trades here. Some of these are tricky, right? So the ZAR trade, right? That's a tricky trade. The CAD trade, that's a tricky trade, right? The yen trade, that's straightforward. All right. You guys can trade all of these, but follow these trades, right? That's why we do this. Follow these and see how they work out. Okay. You don't have to trade all of this stuff, right? Follow them, especially the ones that are tricky, right? They're not straightforward, but that's how we learn. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for staying over. All right. But we got through, right, Forex, and we got through equities and did a little bit of futures. Futures, not a lot going on right now. Okay, but that soybean trade, right? That last time we traded soybean, I think that did well. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, take care. US 30 traders, all right, and NAS and S&P just right now we're looking for longs, but things can switch. But so just be flexible. All right, be flexible. All right, stick with your process, but just be flexible with your thinking. All right, take care, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.